Hello there, boys and girls, and welcome to my griddle. Can you say Veggie Day, boys and girls? I knew that you could. Hey again, so welcome back. As you can see, I got veggies and veggies. We got baby bella mushrooms that were on clearance. We got baby zucchini. We got some green onion. We got maters. We got some, yes, I know avocado's not a veggie. Close enough. Jalapeno. I love my jalapenos on the griddle. Should we start with ghee? Or should we start with, let's start with veggie oil. Just to get things greased up and going. What do you say? Spread it around. Spread it, spread it. Spread out. Okay. We know these will take a little while. So let's slap these on. I got it down to medium low, but it's another hot, humid day. Is it humid? Yeah, it's only 30%. It's a hot day anyway. So the griddle's hot. And what else might take a while? Jalapeno? It might. It probably won't. Stick it over here on the edge. Mushrooms will take a little while. We'll throw them on. That's way too many mushrooms, so I'll have some to mix in with other stuff. My lovely assistant is not a mushroom person, so I won't be sharing them with her for sure. Move the jalapeno. Let's slide you guys over a little. They'll take some time. Right, Baja? Baja is not a fan of Veggie Days and suggests that we make every day beef and cheese day or turkey day, but I think she's a little biased. I think she has ulterior motives. As co-host, she's entitled to her opinion. So, we've got, normally I just griddle this stuff up and then enjoy the flavors. Butter is basically the only flavor, but kind of in an experimenting mood. We got sriracha salt. We got some Badia Complete. And we'll have some other things to add as we add groceries. Although mushrooms love butter. So let's add some ghee. Eventually I'll need to make more ghee, which always makes for an exciting episode, no? Yes, no? Look at the pretty sear. We'll flip these over. I was hoping I could do it by hand. That worked, mostly. Back here. You see why it's not easy with a spatula. I got pinchers somewhere. I could dig those out. That requires effort. We don't like those dirty four-letter words like work. We don't cotton to them kind around here. And on cue, the air conditioner comes on. Told you it was hot. Okay, let's maybe, we got green onions. We'll just toss them on here. Move around the jalapeno. And I love tomatoes. And we'll go ahead and the avocados only had like another day left before it expired. We'll throw some more seasoning on. Some more Veggie. Maybe on the tomatoes love salt. So I'll definitely be putting my salt, pepper, garlic, etc. secret sauce on there, on the tomatoes. Usually I just do little zucchini and squash strips, the regular size but sliced thin. But I saw the babies. I saw the baby zucchini at Trader Joe's and just had to try it. Ooh. Let's try to flip these maters. Oh. By the way, tomatoes in the air fryer are delicious. So, tomatoes, we got salt, pepper, garlic, Mrs. Dash, and other stuff. Just to give, oh, that was a little too much. Okay. Got that. Let's check our avocados. We're getting a little bit of a flip them over, and I'm gonna try some Valencia orange peel. Basically it's orange zest. I used this on some shrimp the other day with other seasonings like Old Bay, and man, oh man, it really set off the flavor of the shrimp. Really, really good. So I'm gonna have to get some lemon peel to add to my arsenal. If the orange peel was that good on the seafood, just imagine how good. So those are pretty much done. I'll turn that side off. Test one of these shrooms. Put the jalapeno in the middle. Need some more. Green onion. is about done. What do you think? Is that about done? Mm. Zucchini's done and delicious. So, flip the tomato. Get it cooked a little bit more on the broad side here. It comes out like stewed tomato and it's so good. So, get our handy dandy pan. May need a separate pan just for the mushrooms. That's a lot of shrooms. And the onion says it's done. Just tried to join the zucchini. Onion. The tomatoes are sizzling, so I think they're done. Oh yeah. Jalapeno will keep going. He needs extra time. I could have gotten like a whole handful because they are so freaking good. But I pay for it because I can't. I have to eat them all. I have to. And yeah, it's not good. So what I'll do with the avocado is I'll get me a spoon and just scoop right out of the hull, and it will be delicious. Let me grab another pan. Don't go away. Watch that for me. Hi, Baha. We just happen to have another pan handy. These are my dollar store pans. I used them to cook nachos right on the griddle, which came out delicious, but the pans weren't a fan. They've survived and they're still usable. May have to spend another $1 to replace them because yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Good, 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 good. I could even get like some sriracha or some of the best stuff in the world is some kind of hot sauce. Crystal hot sauce. I love my crystal hot sauce. As a true southerner, and it goes good on everything, including fruits and veggies. But that's hot mushrooms. Put that there so you can see how pretty. I turned up the griddle, trying to get a little more sear, a little more cook on my jalapeno. Love the jalapeno. Let's add a little orange peel just to see what it does. When you dump seasoning all over the griddle, it's a little harder to clean up. Keep that in mind if you haven't done it. But if it's well seasoned, it just scrapes off. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Almost there. Almost. I like it so the outer skin's just ready to bubble off all on its own. Yes, I eat them whole, seeds and all, when it's roasted like this because it's so good. I just can't help myself. Hot stuff. Gonna eat some hot stuff, baby, tonight. Gonna eat some hot stuff. Okay. We got our griddle heated up. We got the jalapeno. Look at that. Look out. Oh, can you smell it? Oh, it smells so good. Want to see my lunch? Actually, it may be lunch for a couple of days. Yummy, yummy, yummy. We got veggies. We got avocado. We got shrooms. We got a yummy jalapeno. So, that's today's lesson, boys and girls. Pig out on veggies. And that's all we got. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye!